I'm gonna show you how to do this makeup today. So let's get started. My skin is prepped and I'm gonna be applying a facial oil. Now this oil gives me a very hydrated, moisturized, glowing and smooth face for my other products. Now moisturizing my lips using this palette and this pink color as my transition shade. Applying it all over my eyelid, blending it so that it looks very seamless, and using this dark color at my outer corner. Deposit the pigment and then start blending it outward and then try to mix it with the transition shade so that it looks like a gradient. This looks fine. We're gonna be using a glitter palette now. I'm gonna be using this light pink lavender sort of shade all over my eyelid. Just press it all over your eyelid and it looks like your eyeshadow is very glossy, like it has a shine but not too much shine, and it kind of blends in with your makeup. That looks really pretty. Now tightline your upper waterline and smooth it out using a black eyeshadow and a brush. Now blend this kajal into an eyeliner. Just stroke this brush in the outer V and make it look like a winged eyeliner. Take a tissue and clean it to make it look very sharp. For my dark circle, I'm gonna be using this dark color concealer as my color corrector under my eyes, around my nose and mouth, and then I will blend it. This trick will make your dark circle appear lesser and give a very clean base for other products. Now I will use a lighter shade for highlighting my face. You can see the placement, and after using highlighting concealer, I'm going to be applying foundation. I'm going to be taking foundation on back of my hand and then I will warm it a bit. Applying foundation by keeping dots all over my face. Now taking some setting spray on my brush and then using that brush to blend my foundation. Now this makes foundation last very long and it also makes it easy to blend into your skin and gives a very good finish. Make sure to blend your foundation till your neck so that your neck and face doesn't look different. After foundation, blend your highlighting concealer into the foundation so that it looks seamless. Now set your under eyes and your foundation with a loose powder or a compact. Make sure to set your under eyes really good so that it doesn't crease. By setting your face with powder, it makes your base last very long. Now we will give definition to this face by using contour. Using powder contour on the parts where I naturally have shadows, you can see the side of your face, you will naturally have shadows. At that place you have to use contour powder. I'm going to contour my nose also. Now I will apply blush from your cheeks to your temples or upper forehead region. This placement makes your face look very snatched, especially if you have a round face like mine. Apply highlighter on your cheekbone, your nose bridge and other parts where you want light to hit and shine. If I can, I would have applied highlighter all over my face. I love it so much. Adding black eyeshadow on your under waterline and then smoking it out using the same pink transition shade. Now this will make your eye makeup come put together and it will look so dreamy. You can also highlight your inner eye corner and then fill in your brows and set them. Using a maroon color lip liner to outline my lip and fill in a bit, then I will proceed with a bright color pink lipstick that will match my outfit and it looks so good. Now last step is applying falsies and then sealing this makeup with beautiful bindi. Love how this makeup turned out. It is perfect for all the festivals and even wedding season. You can wear this on Ganesh Chaturthi, Onam or even any wedding, and it is quite easy to create as well. I hope you guys like this makeup look and this makeup tutorial. You can watch my other makeup tutorials as well. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.